Pacesetter. You guys, I love the incentives and the promotions that LifeVantage always has out there for us, because what they try to do is they set them up in a fashion that's just going to reward you for doing the stuff that you're already supposed to do, the proper behaviors.
Yeah.
So with the Pacesetter program, it's actually going to put extra money back into your pocket, again, for doing what you're already supposed to be doing. With the first full calendar month that you're in LifeVantage, you have the opportunity to hit Pacesetter 2, which is hitting Pro 2 in the company, $2,500 in organizational volume, and you're going to earn an extra $100. If you maintain that Pro 2 rank the second full calendar month, you're going to earn an additional $100. And then Pacesetter 3 is simply hitting the rank of Pro 3 within the first full 3 calendar months, so the first full 90-day period, and they're going to earn an additional $250 for hitting Pacesetter 3. And then if you maintain it the month after you first hit Pro 3 or Pacesetter 3, you're going to earn an additional $250.
So cool.
So Pro 2, $100. Maintaining Pro 2, an extra $100.
Yep.
Pro 3, $250. Maintaining Pro 3, another $250. So the potential of hitting all of the Pacesetter steps is going to be an extra $700 back into your pocket.
That's insane. Like, it's seriously the coolest thing, because if we are going through the steps and we are going through the actions, this is how you get there. And to be rewarded for those behaviors is super, super cool, along with blessing a ton of people. So here's what we learned when we first got started. Whenever there is a promotion that is put out by the company or your team, go after it. Go after every single promotion and incentive and make it a non-negotiable. Like, make that your focus. So if you want this, if you want to, run, you want to fly, you want to walk and kind of see where things are going, put this, in your car, in your office, wherever, and say, I am going to make Pacesetter. I am going to earn this. This is going to happen. And then see what happens because of that. Your business will grow. More lives will be blessed. There's going to be more celebration within your team and your organization. There's going to be more fun. It's just a cool domino effect of the way that it goes. It makes it fun.
Yeah, so just make that decision. The how you get there will transform once you've made that decision.
Right.
And you know what you're going to accomplish within the first 90 days of your business.
Yeah, so cool.